So, which country is home to the driest place on Earth? It's Chile, and here's why it's so extreme. The Atacama Desert in northern Chile is the driest non-polar desert in the world. Some parts haven't had any measurable rainfall for over 500 years. It's so dry that NASA tests Mars rovers there. Because of the Andes Mountains and Pacific currents, moisture can't reach the desert. And even the soil contains zero life, no bacteria, no fungi. That's how extreme it is. So, did you get it right? Tell me in the comments. Want more like this? If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to subscribe for more.